Hi, today we are going to learn how to write an SEO optimized content, and this is the checklist. Uh, Step 1, define your goal. Like, what blog or what content are you targeting and what is your audience? For instance, if you are selling a ladies handbag, then your preferred audience is women and age between 20 to 35 40 years, and page type and search intent, like either the user is searching for your user or desire, or we have previously learned about the keyword research in my this video, which can show it in here. And now we will go to the content research part, and that is, now we will search for the content. Here it is, web development. As here you can see that there are uh, yeah, as you can see that here you can see all your blogs about the web development, and here we will took 5 blogs which are already ranking in search results. So here we are, and we are just going to simply read it and find the content gap. Then we will see that where we are ranking. So for that purpose, we will open ChatGPT, and here I would ask to give me outline for the blog web development. As you can see here, it is giving us all the headlines, all the H2, all the H3s, and our main H2 and H3 headings across this topic. You can see here, and it is also giving us the keywords to target, such as primary keywords, secondary keywords, and long tail keywords. So now we are going to move to Claude, and we are going to sign in. Yeah, and here uh, I am going to write a prompt for writing a good blog on web development. Write SEO optimize with semantic entities on web development. Please add real life stats and price in USA for user uh, searching for making websites or landing page. Also add each algorithm naturally, and here is the outline ChatGPT provide me. Now we are going to uh, copy paste this headlines which the ChatGPT gave us, and paste it in uh, Claude, and now write 3000 words with commercial intent and purchase intent as selling as service. Now we will hit enter, and uh, now this will check for the blog, and it will see that where we are now ranking, and it is all like keyword clustering and making up a blog which will rank organically in the search engine. So here you can see uh, our Claude is working. I will just send you this prompt. Just comment down on my video and I will send you this prompt so you can use it to write any SEO optimized semantic entities optimized content. And in the meantime, let's just go and see the current structure of our blog. Like create a content, like we will also need SEO title, your SEO title, your H1 U1 your URL H1 H2, your facts, your internal links, your CTA image ideas and schemas, and now right with AI, which we are doing now, we will do human editing, and now we will do on page SEO. After that we will publish and improve, and after that like we are going to see. Yeah, here you can see the blog is ready, and it's contain the, uh, all the entities, semantic optimization and clustration of the blog. So here now I am going to show you an example of my site where we are going to post this uh, blog on our bloggers website as an example. Yeah, so now I am going to hit copy, and here I am going to here paste, and I will be uh, yeah, copying this title, and here I will see that and removing all the hyphens uh, which the AI LLM model add into its blog, so it can be look as natural as it is written by human. So yeah, now we are going to publish this, but first for that we are going to need some title. So here is your title, and for meta description you can go to search description, and here we will just uh, and like ask for this, that give me meta description for this web page uh, with engaging content, and here we will like just enter it, and here as you can see that it is giving us the meta description, and we can just add here, and we can just hit publish, and yeah, as you can see now our blog is live. So here we are just going to copy its URL, and we are going to uh, yeah, and we are going to open a search console, and we are just gonna paste our blog, and we are going to ask to request him so that search engine can crawl our and index our blog. So here, and as you can see, it's testing if live URL can be indexed. So here we are going to see. Yeah, as you see, the your index request has been submitted. So now our blog page will be indexed and crawl in about 2 or 3 or 5 hours. So that is pretty much about it. And don't hit to subscribe our channel for more informative news. Okay.